You can now experience helicopter ride at Bangalore. Guess where? Jakkur. And how much? At just 5,000. This experience is gonna be a lifetime one. You come here along with your family and friends. It's a 5-seater. You are here with your family. An experience for lifetime at just 5,000. That is on 30th November. Don't miss it. You have a birthday, you have an anniversary, or you have a celebration. You want to surprise your loved ones. They're all open for you. A 5-seater here. You can surprise your loved ones at your budget now in Bangalore. So don't forget, don't miss this opportunity. Surprise your loved ones. Come here. So this 30th, you know where to come. Jakkur Road, that is opposite to GKVK College. This experience is going to be wonderful at just 5K. Don't forget to mark the dates on your calendar.